Hey y'all, welcome back to Living Gratefully. So I do not have any makeup on. I'm gonna run in Ulta and I need to get some leave-in conditioner, heat protectant, deep conditioner, leave-in spray because I'm feeling a little dry and crispy and I want to go in here and smell them all. So I'm really picky about smells. It's going to be on your hair all day. And I go multiple days sometimes. So I need it to be like something I can live with, and I don't like it to be too strong, too perfumey, too musky. Like I like fruity, sweet smells. So I'm gonna go smell them all. I have a little list. I wanna order the Color Wow with Kale from my friend Julie on her TikTok, but I need it today. So I'm gonna get something to tide me over. But first, let's go smell them all. I love this pink pineapple smell of this BATISTE, I don't know how you say it, dry shampoo. And I only have one small bottle and I have been like nursing it, not using it, basically going without because it's my favorite scent and it's hard to find. And finally they had a small bottle and a big bottle, so I just got a big bottle. This is really good dry shampoo, and I feel like, oh, I have the Amica kind too, but this just smells so good. So I was so happy to get this, 20 bucks, perfect. And our daughter Taylor, I don't know if she still uses it, but she has always loved the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner. And I'm always like, it's a little too strong. Nana gave me a bottle one year and I was like, I just gave it to her because it was too strong for me. But this is fragrance free, so yay. And this is the travel size, so I can try it and then also take it traveling. So I'm excited about this because it's tried and true, very good leave-in conditioner and fragrance free. And then I'll insert a picture where I also tried the invisible oil. It's in the cream and it's like a spray that comes out. And this one is like a pump of oil. And so the spray that comes out, I've actually bought that before. And I was like, trying to put it in my hair and not really loving the way, the application, the way you do it. And also at the time I didn't have as much blonde. So it smelled good, but I gave it to my friend who I knew liked that product because I was like, I'm not really using it. You can have it. And now I'm like back to needing, you know, like a leave-in. And so this time I got the oil that is the same thing. The cream actually says invisible oil as well. Sorry. But this is a different, you know, texture, a different pump. So I'm going to give this a try. And this is small enough to take traveling too, as long as I can lock the bottle. We just got back from Mexico, and that's why I need a little extra on this hair. I actually washed it every day except the last day. And on the last day, I was like, I'm not washing my hair. I'm gonna wait until I get home so I can put a bunch of like conditioning stuff in it. And then we ended up going to this hydrotherapy thing where I'll insert a little clip, and be sure to come back and watch the travel vlog because it was so fun and so relaxing and so good. I highly recommend it. But I ended up getting my hair wet. But anyway, we had fun in Mexico. If you saw one of my other videos, I got the Ghost hairspray that was more of a flexible, and so this is the more firm, strong hairspray. So I'm gonna give this a try. And the last thing is the OLAPLEX. I mean, this is pretty popular for like strengthening your hair, and I haven't tried it. I haven't tried shampoo, conditioner, or anything. I just feel like my hair is looking pretty rough. Sorry guys. I'm about to fix it. But this says moisturize and mend leave-in conditioner, and this is small enough to take traveling too. And it has like a pump, so I'm thinking like a cream that comes out in your hand and then you can use it. So that is all the products I got at Ulta. Now I'm getting ready to go into nautical bowls and get me a little treat, and I'll insert a little clip here. And what I love about it is it's like got the fruit on top, so it feels like it's healthy. It has a little glaze of honey, which I don't even like the taste of honey. Like if you actually taste the honey, to me, I'm like not liking it that much. It's just me. I mean, honey's great and good for you, but it's just, I don't like a lot of it. But they just put the slightest little amount, and it glazes or makes the fruit look like it's glazed. I don't know. It's just so enticing and so good. I hope you guys have one in your town so you can try it out, because I love it. It's kind of addicting, and it has the healthier, non-dairy, sugar-free. I think it's sugar-free because it's just got the natural like fruit and honey. And then it's got like the different layers of the cold stuff that you can get, which I don't know what they call it. It's not ice cream, but I mean, some like one thing is acai, and another thing is like a coconut pineapple blend, and so different things. I don't know what's wrong with my voice, y'all. But anyway, you can get it however you want. There's tons of options, but I am just so hooked on this one, and it is so good. So I'm gonna go get me one. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to come back for the Mexico travel vlog. We had a blast. Let me know if you use a leave-in conditioner that you really like. I need it to be like leave-in and heat protectant. Oh, I thought I bought, oh yeah, I bought this, which is like a leave-in and a styling cream, and this is the travel size, so that way I can try it. But this will be good. Like I'll give it a shot to where it's like, okay, it's conditioning my hair, but also making it to where when I curl my hair, it'll hold better, so I don't have to use as much hairspray. So, oh, and if you saw my other travel, I mean, not my travel, but get ready for Mexico video, I talked about that mousse, that I was going to do the same thing, put a bunch of mousse in my hair so that it would hold the curl. I forgot to take it, so I still haven't really tried it. I tried it one day before I left for my trip, and then I forgot to pack it. It wasn't on my packing list because it was new. But anyway, this is like a concept that seems new to me, where it's like leave-in and helping with the hold. So I'm gonna give this one a try too. I'm excited about it. Okay, now let me know if you have any leave-ins that I should try that have like a mild scent. And I hope you guys are doing good. It's summertime. Let me know your summer plans, and I'll see you soon. Bye.